The V-belt links the motor to the cutter head on your planer. The belt is made of a reinforced neoprene material. Over time, the belt can wear or break. A worn belt might squeal or give off a burning smell. If the belt breaks, the motor will run, but the cutter head won't rotate. Replacing the belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the hand wheel from the planer. It's secured with a single screw. Now I'll remove the side cover. And next I'll remove the cover over the upper pulley. And now I'll remove the idler pulley. And now I'll remove one of the two sprockets and the chain. Now I can remove the nut that secures the cutter head pulley. I'll use an impact wrench to do that. Now I'll use a gear puller to remove the pulley from the shaft. With the pulley removed, now I can remove the belt from the upper pulley. Now install the new belt. First, I'll wrap it around the upper pulley. And now reinstall the cutter head pulley. I'll place the pulley onto the belt, align the keyway with the key, and then I'll use a punch. I'm going to place the punch in the center hole on the cutter head and use it to pry the pulley onto the shaft. And I'll resecure the cutter head pulley with the nut. Now we'll replace the chain and sprocket. I'll align the sprocket that I removed with the spindle and then place the chain over the opposite sprocket. And I'll secure it with the washer and screw. Now reinstall the idler. I'll place the end of the idler arm over the spring and then secure it with the screw. Now I'll replace the side cover. the upper pulley cover, and I'll finish up by replacing the hand wheel. And now you know how to install a new V-belt on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.